What's up, guys? I think all are fine, and today welcome to the channel Your Best. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 3D green screen on your video. Like, share, and subscribe button to your video. Let me show the preview of my video after editing. Yeah, here you can see this box. Like, subscribe, and bell notification. Okay, then I think it's time to start teach you guys how to do that. Then wait, let me start from the beginning. First of all, you have to go to any YouTube or a Google and download a green screen, some type 3D green screen, like share and subscribe. All simple green screen, we don't need. Or if you need 3D thing, you can download. Or this thing, it looked awesome. Subscribe and bell notification. So first you have to download this thing. After you will download this thing, then go to your Adobe Premiere Pro or any video editor, then add that video at the top. First of all, add that video at the top. Wait, I have added it over here, and the video you have to be the video, and add the original video at the bottom of that video. And now you can see it's not looking, now you can see that it's not looking that good. So then you have to do what it seems. Then go to effects, then type keying, YING. Okay, then go for color key and drop over the green, that video you have downloaded from YouTube. Then go to effect control tab, then scroll down, then click on this button, drop button, and select the color green, that is here, and increase tolerance nearly to 100. 110 also runs very good, and thin to 2, then edge feather to nearly 3 or 5. 5 looks good. Then increase, wait, let me show you. Decrease the volume of your sound and increase. Now let us preview our video. Yeah, you can see this one. So that's all for today's tutorial. I think you guys have understood it better. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to do the background animation like me, that let me show you, play it and then explain it. Wow, background is looking very beautiful. So if you need like this animation, so please comment in the comment section that you need a separate tutorial on this, then I'll bring that new tutorial. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's it, guys. Bye bye.